W.H. Hudson was a famous Victorian naturalist whose poetic and romantic writings about the English countryside endeared him to generations of people. But really, he was Argentinian, born in the 1840s. But it wasn't until 1871 that he made his first epic journey to Patagonia. There he sought out completely unknown species of animals. Paula and I at Living Wild in South America are retracing some of his footsteps. When W.H. Hudson visited Patagonia, he did so by steamer ship, which was shipwrecked not far from where we are driving now. Of course, access into Patagonia in the 21st century is much easier, but as you can see from these roads, it is still a wild country and difficult to access in many places. Hudson was born on a farm near Buenos Aires. As a young boy, his interest in natural history was sparked by the teeming wildlife on the estancia. In particular, a bird known to him as the Patagonian Parrot, which he only saw in the wintertime. And more than anything else, he wanted to discover where they bred. To us, parrots are birds of tropical forests. And yet look around us here. There are no trees in Patagonia, let alone forests. Hudson writes that he found these strange parrots by cliffs on the coast. This is a remote lighthouse overlooking the Atlantic. The telegraph wires are weighed down with row upon row of parrots. This could be the very same breeding site that Hudson actually found. The sun is setting and the birds are disappearing over the edge of the cliffs. Will we see them tomorrow? It's sunrise. The tide is high, the waves are crashing onto the shore and the parrots are starting to appear. They must have been roosting by their nests down on the cliffs. It's time to feed and the birds are leaving in huge flocks, circling round the cliff tops, suspended in midair and held there by the updrafts of wind. They seem to dance to its tune. This parrot is not accustomed to the breeze that blows through the green tapestry of a forest, but revels instead on the winds that lash this harsh Patagonian coast. So it's along these shores that this unique parrot breeds, nesting within ledges and burrows within the cliff face. The birds mate for life and are highly social, and as you can tell by the cacophony of sound that surrounds me at the moment, there are 500,000 pairs breeding along just this short stretch of coast. Hudson was thrilled at finding a breeding site of such a gorgeous bird, describing them as being of sombre green plumage, touched with yellow, blue and crimson colour. Today, these birds, these multicoloured acrobats, still reign the skies and ride the winds over these lonesome cliffs, one of the great natural wonders of South America.